sneezing. That is hella natural, peeps. The black pepper have me sneezing. So yes, it might take time with the black pepper. So I'm gonna cover that and let that do its thing in quick. So I'm gonna season the chicken now and stuff like that, definitely. Yeah? Yeah, yeah, black pepper. Eh? What's the about with wax? I'm not I do black pepper. Why? Where that tell us the black pepper go do to you? Eh? If you're dead, you're dead already. You can't help you. So if you're dead, it's just dead. So that's a your human problem. So peeps, this is the peas soaking. I will be pressuring it in a bit. Try pumpkin? Eh? So peeps, I'm gonna take out the pumpkin because sometimes you know the pumpkin may be boiled before the rest of the food. So let's go pumpkin fishing. Let's go digging for pumpkin. So I want pumpkin the night. Oh, I just want pumpkin peeps and I found it. It's soft. You know when it's cooked, when you can just excuse wait. Just when you can just do that and it's already. So I'm gonna be checking like the yam now. The banana can boil some more. It's not quite ready as yet. So I'm searching for the yam. And peeps, I'm just talking over the food. People might be like, oh, she's talking over the food. Oh, well, it's my kids gonna eat it and definitely it's family. So the yam feel like it's boiled, but no, baby, don't come over the stove like that. So I'll just cover this right here and stuff like that. Oh, I forgot to put on the aki. Olivia? Yes? Come out of the kitchen, please. Because your angle look. Well, I'm sorry, look. So, peeps, the aki is finished. Come and let me show you. So, the aki is finished, peeps. Definitely. So, I'll be turning off that stove. So, peeps, I'm hella hot. So, sorry if you see like me sweating a bit and stuff like that. I hate when sweating in the kitchen because I hate it, but bear with me, please. Yes, but when you sweat in the kitchen, you sweat like hell. Versus when me a sweat. So peeps, I'm gonna season this chicken now. What? Peeps, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to Sid, but he's outside and he's just, you know, giving me a hell of time, like back answering me and stuff like that. What? What fucking, oh effing lie. Them because bad over there. I'm hot peeps. What put your pan camera? Nobody not put your pan camera. Come by your yard. Me never did that to you, Olivia. So peeps, I like chicken leg. If you guys like chicken leg, then comment below and let me know if you're a chicken leg liker like myself.
Buy nothing.
So I'm not to buy it. Shut up. Shut up. So I better I save my money. Somebody else buy it, so what? I'm sweating peeps. I think I'm gonna go and wipe off my chest. Mama, Can bring it, the rug in the bathroom. Come, let me wipe off my chest. The orange one that you sometimes, yeah. Peeps, I'm sorry that I'm sweating. Alright, make him bring it. Come, give him this. Give him. Wait, baby. Give me. Thank you, son. Give mom a kiss. Give mom a kiss. Mwah. Yes, we'll cook. Yes. Catch. Put that in my bathroom. Please and thanks. So please, when I'm cleaning up chicken, I do a lot of cleaning. Come sit, come share the food. Make the people them see the food before I end this video. Come now, come share it please, and just come please. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm asking you please to come and share the food. Peeps, I don't know if I will take you guys into dinner. I maybe make a part 2 to say dinner, because this video is hella long already. Stuff like that, so I don't know. So Sid's gonna come in, and as I say, peeps, if you see fly, I definitely did not went to the door and the window and say, come fly, come inside. I definitely did not do that. I did not say, come fly. Bring it out outside now. I definitely did not call in the fly, so you will see 1 and 2 fly, please. I can't really get rid of them, but I try, but I can't. Open back the door. We need the breeze to come through the house. Me I sweat. I need the lighting. So peeps, Sydney gonna share food now, so you guys will see what breakfast is like. Then I will end this video and I'll maybe take you into dinner for later. Definitely. Put on that now. You want to hear a mirror? Come start up this up now, please. Hurry up. Sydney, just leave that and do this something first now. I know that I want to end the video before it get too long. You know I'm gonna have hella problem to upload it. That's what I'm talking about. I thought you came to help, but obviously you just came to give me talking. Olivia, shut up, you're parrot. You never bring your vinegar? You have to ask, sweet. Your fried chicken, I must not say if you buy vinegar. You must have that. I have to remind you. You're a big man. You're picking me if you remind me.
Remind me?
Shut up.
Do you remind me?
Idiot. It's a hell of a idiot. So go and go video then. No, but that's not stupid, because my YouTube family don't like stupid.
So that makes you what?
That don't make me money. See, peeps, he's calling. Man, I can't to my YouTube. Maybe subscriber, then you know, my viewers, then you know, because definitely, you know, they will beat you up.
But you have to card them, yeah? I thought it was
Those are my family, you know, there was, you know, my family. Oh.
What dumpling you want?
More one dumpling and more yam and banana. Give me one dumpling, 2 yam and 3 finger banana. And just give me all like a cake. I want to eat
Nisha, shut up.
Today's weather brief is brought to you by Music 99 FM, Smooth Jamaican Radio.
you okay, man?
For today's weather brief.
That's me, 2 of us.
Oh, that makes you, not me.
That
So
makes
peace.
us. We can make it if we try. That makes 2 of us.
Where you find that, Brittany? Did you eat it? can't better that your food. Hello, you can come up people here, I can eat our food. This is our plate. A soup I drink. Oh. So as I said, peeps, I'm gonna boil the pine skin to make pine juice. But how much dumping you want? Well, we don't want for now. Me eat that. Me ask you for. Eh? You what? The glass? Wash mama. So this is the chicken. I haven't seasoned it as yet, peeps. But I will soon. Look inside. So I'm guessing this is mine because I told him I just want that amount. So that's how it goes, peeps. Yardie style, Jamaican style, no pretty nothing. No fancy restaurant, no fancy cooking. Just plain Jane boiled dumpling, banana and boiled yellow yam. And that will be served with ackee and saltfish. So that's just how it is. Alright, hurry up now, hurry up. I don't want the video to get too long. Serve the ackee now. Can you serve like say it's a home of 100 pick me and serve for. Gosh man. I mean, people, the ackee got smashed because it's really soft. So that's my breakfast, peeps. And people be like, oh, that's why you're fat because you eat a lot. Oh well, who cares? That's my daughter own. Remember, she know that it's Caesar them, you know. So that's Brittany own. That is mine. So peeps, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. So definitely, peeps, Brittany, come here, mama. Now I'm put this on the tripod. Come here. I did that video so nice to me. Just hold it right here, so peeps, this is where I'm gonna end this video definitely because it's getting too long. So guys, thank you for come this way. So peeps, as I said again, this is where I'm gonna be ending this video. Thank you for spending Sunday morning with me and my fam. Definitely thank you, and please, if you're not already subscribed, please go and subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos. Give them thumbs up if you like. And definitely you thumbs up the video, subscribing to me definitely will help my channel and help me. So guys, thank you. And you know, I'm trying to bring you guys a better video each day or each time. So thank you guys. Love you. Bye bye.